Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Mode of interview, English na Odia?
Sir, both, sir.
Both. And you are comfortable with both. Okay. So you play cricket?
Yes, sir.
Did you see the match?
Yes, sir.
Asia Cup match?
Yes, sir.
So what was the controversy?
So the controversy was that firstly, all Indians want not to play in the Asia Cup.
Okay.
Then Indian government told that we are not playing bilateral matches. We are only participating in the series that has been played worldwide. Just because if India is not playing in series like worldwide, then that match India will not able to do, like India will not have the cup, and Pakistan will qualify for the upper round matches.
Okay.
That's why India allowed to play in the series, not bilateral matches.
Okay. No. After the final got over, right? India won.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So who was the star performer from India?
Tilak Verma was the star performer in the final.
Okay. So in the post match ceremony,
Yes.
there was some controversy, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is that?
Our captain Suryakumar Yadav has not collected the trophy from.
Okay. So you won the match but didn't collect the trophy, right?
Yes, sir.
Why is that?
So because we are Indians are not supposed to be second with Pakistan, and we are not in a point that we should collect the trophy from a Pakistani, like their chief.
Okay.
It's not that he's just a Pakistani; he's also an interim minister of Pakistan.
Okay.
And he has also said some critical comments against India. And that aeroplane blast that taken place in recent past in India.
Okay.
He has also did the mimicry.
Oh, in Gujarat, you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Oh, he made a
mimicry, posting the Ronaldo sign with the hand. He did the mimicry.
Okay. So I also see you participated in tiger census in Satkoche Tiger Reserve.
Yes, sir.
How many tigers are there in Satkoche?
Sir, recently there are no tigers.
Then what is the why we do census?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually every 4 years NTC is conducting tiger census in tiger reserves. As Satkoche is a tiger reserve, though there are no tigers, but under this tiger project, we are conducting mega herbivores and carnivore projects, all the horse, rows, and all the biodiversity present over there.
Okay. How do you do the census? Pug marking or how is it?
Sir, pug marking, not only pug marking, but also direct sighting and camera trap.
Okay.
And so the procedure is that whenever we do the census, we have to walk 2 kilometers barefoot on the forest, and every 200 meters we have to see whether there is a pug mark or direct sighting or anything, or vocal sound or scratch mark on the trees. Okay. Have you heard about something called M stripes? Yes, sir. What is it? This is an application through which we calculate the tigers. Yes.
Okay.
Tell me, what are the major species that we find in Satkoche Tiger Reserve?
Sir, flora, fauna, both. Flora species like Koroda, Kongoda, Horida, Bahada, Ola, Salo, and other species like Hasi, Arjuna, this species. And in fauna, we like leopards mainly, and spotted deers, sambar, and other species, monkey species will be found.
Have you heard about the initiative which is called International Big Cat Alliance?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who has initiated it? Or who has launched it?
Ma'am, as far as I know, India has launched it.
Okay.
And recently Nepal has been a part of it recently in this year.
How many species are covered under this?
Ma'am, 7 species of big cats.
Achha, which metro city across India is regarded as the leopard capital of India?
Sorry, ma'am, I am not aware about this.
Okay. India is trying to reintroduce cheetah back again, right? So, which place or which tiger reserve they are trying to introduce cheetahs?
So, Panna Tiger Reserve. Another is. Sorry. Ma'am, one able to read.
Okay. Tell me, what is your opinion about GM crops? Should we introduce it?
So there are pros and cons,
Mhm.
and India believes that if we'll introduce a GM crops, then the disadvantages they have no enemies, they do not have any insect or pest crops, and they can lead to growing of more number of insect waste. They have, as they don't have any natural enemies, and secondly. It doesn't have a natural impact, it can lead to soil degradation,
Okay.
as it's not a natural product. And thirdly, sir, this
That's okay. So, are you aware of something called pitcher plant
yes,
that eats
Yes,
insects?
Yes,
Where do we find that in India? Do we find that in India?
I'm not sure.
Okay, where do we find it generally?
Picture plan. Sir, if I'll take a guess,
Yes, yes.
Brazil, Amazon area.
Okay, so rainforest you are saying.
Yes, sir.
Why do we find this kind of plants only in rainforest region?
I'm not sure.
Okay, okay.
Acha, tell me, where do we find the primates mostly? The
Right.
tropical rainforest or the deciduous forests?
Ma'am, primers?
Primates, like
Primates.
monkeys.
No. Tropical and forest.
Tropical rainforest. Okay. Where do we find maximum percentage of tigers and lions, in the tropical rainforest or the deciduous ones?
Sir, ma'am, lion are mostly in deciduous and grasslands we can find,
Mhm.
Okay.
and tropical deciduous, though the biodiversity of evergreen forest, tropical evergreen forest are high, but because of the habitat, the big cat are mainly found in tropical deciduous areas.
Okay. Where do we find the reptiles more?
Ma'am, I'm not sure.
Okay, all right.
Okay, tell me. Let me put it this way. Between say Africa and say Amazon,
Yes.
African jungles and Amazon, where do you find reptiles more?
Sir,
Where do you find anaconda?
sir, Amazon, sir.
Okay, why is that?
So because of that habitat,
Yes, we find more insects or more reptiles. So tell me, what is the state animal of Odisha?
somber, sir.
Sambar. Is it nocturnal? Does it roam in the night?
Yes, sir. I have seen somber in night.
Where do you find it? Sambar
So
in night?
in Raigada region of South Korea, when we were night patrolling.
Okay, okay. So you did
just-
night patrolling as well?
Yes, sir. In the government vehicle that came across our vehicle just because of light, he did not able to see anything. He just stood there. Then we came out of car and
So then, can you tell me some critically endangered species of Odisha?
critical endangered species is Ghorial of Odisha is
Okay.
critically endangered.
Any other thing? Wildlife?
Sir, wildlife, sir, in Rajasthan, great Indian bustard.
What about Odisha?
So,
Anyway, leave that. Acha, tell me, say, in Odisha, how many tigers are there? What is the census,
Yes.
tiger census of Odisha?
according to NTCA, it is 20.
20?
But, yes, sir. But state tiger calculation, it is 27.
27. Okay. In Simlipal, how many tigers are there?
So 24 tigers.
Okay. And we find melanistic tiger in Simlipal, right? Why is that?
So there is a mutation, that is a Q mutation called. There is a change in transmembrane protein
Okay.
Q gene.
Tell me, suppose you were posted as a SCA for forest ranger in say Simlipal,
Yes, sir.
and we know that a lot of human-animal conflict do happen over there.
Yes.
So how you can what you will do so that you can reduce that human-animal conflict?
Sir, first I'll try to find out those places in ground level that where the most of the conflicting has been taken place.
Mhm.
And secondly, I will create awareness that I'll find out the reason for what they are coming and they are countering the animals. And
Do you know or aware of any methods that we deploy to reduce this conflict?
yes, sir. For example, for animal fears the bee sounds, beehives. So we can put those beehives cultivations in that village area.
Okay.
Those are adjacent to forest.
Apart from beehives?
And those electric fencing,
Solar fencing.
solar fencing that gives a small voltage on current.
Okay. Okay. Done. Tell me, what is the species that is smuggled from Odisha?
Especially pangolin has been smuggled from Odisha. Apart from that, the elephant, teeth.
Elephant teeth. Okay.
Do you know what is globally important agricultural heritage systems? And do we have any such sites in Odisha?
Ma'am, as far as I know, there are 3 sites, and in Odisha, Koraput is one of them.
Okay.
And Kerala, southern India, Kerala is one of them where the underwater rice cultivation has been taken place.
Below sea level.
Yes.
Tell me, in which part of Odisha do we find maximum, incidents of forest fires?
Ma'am, it will be in the tropical deciduous forest, like Athawada Forest Division, Similpala Forest Division, and
So how many forest divisions we have? Are you aware?
51 forest division.
51
there,
forest divisions.
out of which 37 territorial division and 14 wildlife forest division.
Okay. Have you heard about CAMPA? CAMP?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me the full form?
Compensatory Afforestation Pond Management Authority.
Okay. What is M for? Management Authority.
Management. Sorry.
Okay.
India is trying to go for the first white tiger breeding center. Can you tell me where is the location of it?
So, ma'am, it is in Nandankana itself,
Okay.
and only it is Nandankana in the world that we have white tiger, and breeding center is also has been done in Nandankana.
Recently in Rewa in Madhya Pradesh, they are also trying to do it. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
Tell me, how many biodiversity hotspots are there in India?
4 biodiversity hotspots are there. They are Eastern Himalaya and Western Ghat and Sundaland. Another is Indo-Myanmar region.
Okay. Who is the chairperson for National Board for Wildlife?
So the chairperson for National Board for Wildlife is a Prime Minister.
Okay. Who declares the community reserve?
Ma'am, I'm not sure. If I'll take a guess, then state government, I guess.
Who declares a tiger reserve? Is it the central government or state government?
Sir, state government give the suggestion like
Recommendations.
then the permission from the central
NTCA.
Right.
Okay. Achha, are you aware of National Biodiversity Authority?
Yes, sir.
What is the headquarter? Where is it located?
New Delhi National.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Or is it Chennai? Check it out. Okay. Achha, tell me, what is Purple Revolution? Have you heard about it?
Sir, yeah.
Purple Revolution. Achha, tell me, if all of the Indian farmers go for organic farming,
Yes.
will it be good for India or bad for India?
Sir, we should apply the middle path, like sustainable agriculture.
Okay.
Just because if you will opt for organic farming, then the price will be high and production will be less.
Okay.
So, aiming to that point of view, we should adapt like green revolution in the Punjab and region. Then a part of it also will increase under the organic farming area, like in Sikkim,
Okay.
or which is an first organic state of India.
Okay.
Tell me, what will happen to agriculture if all the honeybees die?
Ma'am, the fruit production will be stopped. Nothing will get in food.
Will we survive as a species?
No, sir. Impossible. There is no food, so how can?
So we will become dinosaurs.
Yes. Sir.
Okay. Are you aware of something called Fertile Crescent?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. So tell me, when did agriculture did start? Is it in Paleolithic, Mesolithic, or Neolithic age?
So I have forgot. I have studied in.
You have read about it. Okay. Okay.
Can you explain what is feminization of agriculture?
Feminization of agriculture. So, ma'am, their active role in agriculture. Only we consider mainly. We can see the difference that men are getting higher pays than women. So, including that, they are doing the same labor, but men are getting higher one. So,
that is not feminization of agriculture, but read about it. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Achha, tell me, is there any international treaty that prohibits illegal wildlife trade?
Yes, sir. Sites.
Right. Okay. Achha, we have two group of islands, right? Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep. Within these two group of islands, which particular group of island has high degree of biodiversity?
I'm not sure, as Andaman Nicobar is very near to tropic equator. I feel there should be the high biodiversity.
Okay.
But in terms of forest, it's Lakshadweep who comes fast according to percentage.
So how can we deploy artificial intelligence in forest management?
Sir, in terms of tracking the wild animals like big animals, elephant, through the
AI-enabled cameras and all
cameras,
that.
and secondly, the forest fire monitoring. Whenever forest fire is there, through fast monitoring system, we can get where is the forest fire.
So, Acha, have you heard about prides, lion prides?
Yes, sir. Their group lion is called pride.
They run as a pack,
Assemble,
right?
yes.
But we don't find, the similar setup among
Tigers,
tigers.
yes.
Why is that?
So because they have their family, the way they live.
Who is
Lions.
Lions are very familial.
Yes, as their family, a
Oriented.
female lion lead the group. And
Okay.
Have you heard about the Great Green Wall Initiative?
Green Wall Initiative, ma'am, I think it's in Africa. They are building.
They're also trying to replicate the same in India. In which part of India are they trying to do this?
I'm not sure.
How many tiger reserves are there in Odisha?
2 tiger reserves are in Odisha. They're Simlipal and Satkosit.
Okay.
Name 5 wildlife sanctuaries of Odisha.
Baisipali Wildlife Sanctuary, Nandankanan Wildlife Sanctuary, Chandaka Wildlife Sanctuary, and Balukhand Wildlife Sanctuary, Satkosha Wildlife Sanctuary.
Done with the interview, Bikash.